On 3rd February 2024, Eastern India Regional Council of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India organized a special interactive session between members and officials from Ministry of Corporate Affairs at EIRC House, Beckbagan. During the program, officials from the ministry, Shri Chandan Ji and Shri Samanta Ji resolved various problems and queries of the participating members. Chairman of ICSI-EIRC CS Dr. Mohit Shaw thanks Shri A K Sethi ROC MCA GOI for accepting the request in organizing such a wonderful event. Members appreciated the step taken by the regional council and requested to organize such session frequently. In the second part of the day, a half-day workshop was held where CS Ravi and CS Mohan Goenka enlightened the participants on recent change of the corporate world. During the inaugural session, CS Mohit Shaw, Chairman EIRC, informed members about several initiatives taken by the council and also shared the roadmap ahead. CS Rupanjana Day council member was also present with other regional council members CS Soumya Sujit Mishra from Bhubaneswar, CS Anuj Saraswat, Kolkata, CS Santosh Kumar Patna and CS Satish Kumar Jharkhand. CS Bishal Harlalka gave vote of thanks and appreciated the efforts of the institute's official. More than 140 delegates participated in two-phased program.
Hello everyone, my name is Shri Gupta. I am a proud member of ICSI. ये इनिशिएटिव जो है जो EIRC ने लिया है फर्स्ट टाइम रीजनल बेसिस पे जो ROC का इंट्रैक्शन है इट वाज वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस इट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल थैंक यू क्योंकि ये इंट्रैक्शन मेरे लिए तो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है एंड आई थिंक जितने भी मेंबर्स आए हैं उन सब के लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है एंड कांग्रेट्स टू मोहित शॉ सर फॉर दिस वंडरफुल इंटरेक्शन.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself is Rishna Goel. Today I have attended session organized at the ICSI in which the ROC people came and they have given us open house forum in which we can ask directly the questions to the ROC senior officers. And they have solved our query to such extent so that we can take every precautions while filing the forms as a professionals. And my query has also resolved to some extent. And I am thankful to the ICSI to organize such kind of events. And as the Mohit sir has told us that this is going to be fortnightly, so that will be going to be really very helpful. So that will minimize the level of errors and expedite the process of filing.